Greetings from the Air Conditioner Repair San Diego, CA. We offer a number of services to help you maintain and improve your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. These services ensure that your systems run properly and provide the comfort you require throughout the year. With mild temperatures and occasional heat waves, San Diego's homes and businesses rely on a reliable HVAC system to keep them comfortable. Whether you need air conditioning replacement, repair, or regular maintenance, choosing the appropriate HVAC contractor in San Diego, CA is critical to maintaining the best indoor air quality and comfort. As HVAC systems age, they become less efficient and more prone to failure. AC replacement is a critical service provided by HVAC technicians to keep your house or business cool throughout San Diego's sweltering summer months. How often should I service my air conditioner in San Diego, CA? We recommend servicing your air conditioner at least once a year to ensure it operates efficiently and reliably, especially in a climate like San Diego, CA. The ideal time for a maintenance checkup is in the spring, before the hot summer months when your AC will be working its hardest. Regular annual servicing can help identify and fix minor issues before they escalate into major problems, potentially saving you from costly repairs or replacements. Are repairs covered under warranty? Generally, the coverage depends on the specific terms of your unit's warranty, which can vary by manufacturer and model. Most air conditioner warranties cover major components such as the compressor, evaporator coil, and condenser coil for a specified period, typically ranging from 5 to 10 years. What brands of air conditioners do you repair? We pride ourselves on our ability to repair a wide variety of air conditioner brands. Our team of experienced technicians is trained and certified to handle repairs for all major air conditioning brands, ensuring that we can meet the diverse needs of our customers in San Diego, CA. Where is the Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 930 West Washington Street, Suite 157, San Diego, CA 92103, United States. Our phone number is 619-304-2863. Visit our website, www.bestsandiegohvac.com/Mission Hills AC Installation Repair.